Everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment. It's YO22 Excel Capstone Intro Rental. Its project description is given here. You will read the project description. I will move to my first step. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, download and open file name Excel Capstone Intro Rental. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your file. I have already opened my file, that's my file. We will move to our second step. In second step, what is he asking? To improve the appearance of the rental data worksheet, wrap the text of the cell range A5 to I5. So we will go to the rental data worksheet. That's our rental data worksheet. We will select A5 to I5 and go to the home tab, and in the alignment group we will select the wrap text. So it's now wrap text. That's our second step. In our third step, what is he asking? Merge and center cell range K1 to P1. So we will go to the cell K1. That's our cell K1. We will merge and center K1 to P1. That's our step. And what is the other thing in here? Copy the format of the cell K5 and paste it to the cell N5 to P5. So we will go to the K5. That's our cell K5. We will copy the format and we will paste it to N5 to P5. So we will do N5 to P5. We will again copy this and we will press Ctrl button and then select O5 and P5. So we have pasted our K5 format to the N5, O5 and P5. Where you need to copy format by selecting this one and then select the format painter and then select the required set where you are required to copy the cell format. That's our third step. Our fourth step is delete sheet 4 and sheet 5 from the workbook. So we will select sheet 4. That's our sheet 4. We will right click on this one and we will select delete. And also for sheet 5 also we will do same thing. We will delete this one. We have deleted two files, sheet 4 and sheet 5. In our fifth step, what is he asking? On the rental data worksheet in the cell E6, enter a date if formula to determine the length of the rental days on the base of date rented and date returned. So we will go to the cell E6 of the rental data worksheet. So that's our cell rental data worksheet. That's our cell E6. We need to paste it as a dated if function. So you will type dated if. When you type like that, it will show that this formula not exist, but when you start this one bracket, it will start working like that. What is our first date? Our first date is date rented. And what is the other thing? End date is date returned or expected date to return. C6 and D6, and in which thing we need uh, uh, our answer. We need an answer in the day, so we will put day here and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our dates. There is 4 days difference in date returned and date entered. So number of date rented is the 4. So we will copy this formula up to cell E31. So you see we have got our result here. If he asks you to give a reply in the month field, you will type here M. So you will got result by the month, and if you type here Y, then it will give you a result as a year. So he asked us to calculate the days, so we will put D. So we have got our result in our E column. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is on the rental data worksheet. Assign range name rates to the A34 to B40. So we will go to the cell A34 to B40. That's our cell A34 to B40. We'll select this one. We'll go to the formula tab, and in the define names we will select define name, and we will paste here as a rates and press OK. So we have assigned the range name to our cell range A34 to B40. That's our seventh step. Sixth step. In our seventh step, what is he asking? In the cell G6, use an appropriate lookup function to retrieve the daily rate for the product in the column A from the range name rates. The function should look for exact match. Copy the formula to G31. So we will go to the cell G6. Here we will put VLOOKUP function. Our lookup value is in the cell A1, A6. That's the and what we need to use the table array as a rates, which we assigned now as you will select as a rates. And what is our table column index? Our rates column, our cost per day is in the second column. So we will type 2 here. And what is the match? Our match will be exact match, and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result as a 37 in the cell G6. We will copy this formula up to cell G31. That's our step. The function would format the range G6 to G31 with the accounting number format. You will select the G6 to G31, and in the home group, in the number groups, you will go to the what he asked accounting number format. We will go to the accounting number format. Yeah, that's our accounting number format. We will press OK. So accounting number format is applied to G6 and to G31 range. That's our seventh step. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. When you complete this assignment, this will look like that. I will show you when you complete this how it look like. It's capstone assignment. Yes, this one look like that. When you complete this look like that. That's our rental data worksheet. That's our client worksheet. That's our loan worksheet. That's our table chart worksheet. So we will get the result like that. And if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have completed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, you can contact me also. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.